be unboxing this NELKO portable label maker right here. It's a Bluetooth label maker. It also includes a smart app with it as well. DPI is about 203. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Show you guys how it all comes here for it. So it does have the Bluetooth and app instructions with it too as well. Your little instruction booklet. You have a recharging cable, USB-A to USB-C, and the actual printer itself. So we kind of see how big this printer is with it. What do we got going on here? It's got a little carrying handle right there with it, kind of like a little wrist strap if you need a wrist strap for it too. So you pop this here open. Oh, this is a little cutting thing. So you can go ahead and cut it. Go ahead and unlock the top up here. So it does already come pre-installed with labels with it right inside of there. So we need to probably take these here out to go ahead and pull this here off. And this is one thing I do like, is the fact that when you go ahead and preload this thing here, usually a lot of them have the labels going all the way across, and you usually lose a couple labels, but I like the fact that you can actually go ahead and have this here in here like this, be able to line it all up and still have some printer movement in here without losing any kind of labels like that. Like, they just give you like an entire roll of no labels, which is kind of nice. But let's see if there's anything left in the box. I think that's everything right there. So you do get one roll of labels to go ahead and get you started. You get the recharging cable with it as well, the book, and also the app that you can go ahead and customize everything, connect it up with it, recharging port on the bottom of it too as well. But here's the unboxing of the NELKO label maker. Nice portable label maker.